All right, so what's going on, everybody? It's JA. Salute to you for tuning in. Hope you guys are enjoying your weekend. Today, we're going to switch things up a bit as I showcase some of my most recent pickups. Now, if you guys follow the channel, you would know that over the last couple of years or so, I've definitely kind of slowed down as far as sneaker pickups, but we got a few pairs which I felt like were worthy to showcase here today on the channel. So we got a pair of boots, some good runners, as well as a pair of retro J's. So if you guys want to see more content like this, be sure to support this video by smashing the like button down below. So to begin, let's go ahead and start with these Jordans, which by now you guys should be quite familiar with this box right here. So we got the Jordan 5 black metallics. Now, as far as Jordan retros, I would say like 10 years plus ago, like I was going crazy, pretty much buying up like every single Jordan that dropped. But nowadays, I find myself kind of more reserved, just picking up the pairs which are very special to me, some of the pairs which I may have actually never had before, and this one definitely falls in line with that. So we got the black metallic 5s. Now, the story with this one is I've actually personally never owned a pair of Jordan 5s in my entire life, believe it or not. So with this one, I remember back when the 2011 pair dropped, I had a friend that actually owned one, and I've always been admiring his pair. So I've always wanted to pick this one up. When the 2016 pair released, I was like full blown, going crazy on everything Yeezy. So I missed out on that one. So I'm really happy that they kind of doubled back on this one, brought these joints. Perfect timing for the 40th anniversary. Now, as far as the reimagined touch on here, I guess the big highlight would be the white laces, which I feel like is a very nice touch on this sneaker. Kind of makes a nice little pop, a little contrast, you know, when highlighting this sneaker versus the black upper on this shoe. So I think they did a great job with this sneaker. Now, I'm not gonna be able to compare this one to previous releases. As I mentioned, this is my very first pair of Jordan 5s, but after throwing them on feet, I definitely like them, and I feel like maybe I've missed out on this sneaker, you know, for a while throughout the year. So when you throw them on, they kind of feel like a pair of boots, not even gonna lie. Joints are pretty heavy, I would say myself. I love the huge fat tongue on here, especially, you know, if you tuck them into the jeans, but you can pretty much rock these joints any way you like it. So great sneaker. As far as sizing, pick these up in my true to size 10.5. They feel great on feet, and low key kind of feel a little bit comfortable, although I haven't really fully had a chance to break them in. So great Jordan brand release. Really happy to add this one to the rotation. Definitely gonna be rocking these joints this year. And as far as my pickups this year, as far as Jordans, I probably have my eye on maybe like 2-3 Jordans for the entire year. So as far as picking these up, I actually grabbed these from the Sneakers app. I didn't enter any raffles or anything like that. Just simply took my one shot via the Sneakers app, and I was guessing that these must have been an easy cop because, you know, I just easily grabbed these off the Sneakers app, but apparently these were pretty difficult to cop. So it seems like a lot of people had their eyes on this sneaker right here. So definitely happy to add these joints to the collection. I feel like with a light wash pair of jeans or even a black pair of jeans, this sneaker is undefeated. I feel like with a pair of sweatpants, they go great as well. So like anything that's gray, black, or like a light denim wash, I feel like it's very complimentary to this sneaker. So great shoe, good Nike Air on the back. Let me know if you guys are rocking with those. Now next up, I guess let's go ahead and get into these boots right here, which these duck boots actually happen to come from Arreon, which is a independent footwear brand, which they specialize, you know, in the 3D printing process. So big salute to my man Rerun, the founder over there. Absolutely love these joints. This sneaker right here, or these boots, I would say are probably like 2-3 years in the making. I remember when he was showing me some of the original sketches for this model right here, which I feel like they executed flawlessly. The finished product came out really cool, so I'm just super happy to finally have these. As far as like the design, y'all see the details in this one right here. I love the fact that this backwards slope kind of slants outward like that, so that's really cool. You also have the additional hits right here. Good sole, and I can't believe how lightweight these joints are. So after trying them on, I would say they are very comfortable, and they do also include laces, which I feel like are more just for the aesthetics. I wouldn't say they're super functional, but you do also have this bungee cord as well. I might even low-key kind of just take the laces off, but we'll have to wait on that. But as far as my first impressions, absolutely love them. Now, as far as the specs on this one right here, these are bio-based soft TPE, fully SLA 3D printed construction, ultra comfortable lattice cushioning system, distributed pressure better than standard foam, does not bottom out like foam, classic duck boot features with a water resistant design, enhanced traction pattern, and increased durability, flexible printed mesh upper with overlays, sustainable and ethically produce. So salute to my man for giving me all the specs on this one right here. So this is a really cool boot right here. As far as rocking these, I did want to showcase these with more of like a fitted pair of pants just to highlight the design elements and everything going on. So as far as these, I feel like you could pretty much rock these for any occasion. The fact that they're so lightweight and they're 3D printed with the materials and everything, you could pretty much just hose these joints down if you want to clean them. So I absolutely love these. And as far as the Arreon products, you know, I've had a pair of the slides, their shoes as well, and the durability is great. These joints hold up so well, which is crazy, because based off how soft they are and how cushioned they are, I felt like models like these would bottom out, but nope. I've been rocking my stuff for like 2 years plus, and they've definitely withstood the test of time. So these joints go absolutely crazy. If you guys are interested in picking these up, he literally just dropped these. So head over to Arreon.com if you guys are interested in checking out the first 3D printed duck boot, man. Them joints are absolutely insane. So definitely gonna be getting a whole lot of wear out of those. Now, last but not least, we have a pair of New Balance. So this is a collaboration with ALD. Picked these up a while ago, but they actually just arrived, so I'll explain shortly. So here we have the 860 V2 in collaboration with ALD. Now, as far as this pair right here, these actually went up for pre-order roughly about 6 months ago. I think these may have actually arrived a little bit early. I think I was expecting to receive these maybe like March, April. So they produced these very fast. Now, when I actually saw the pre-order go up, which these were for 150 bucks, I was kind of iffy about it just with the whole pre-order process, because when I buy shoes, like I don't want to be sitting around waiting for them joints. But I was like, you know what? The last time they dropped the ALD 860 V2, I passed up on them, which was a pre-order, and I kind of regretted it. So I felt like had to grab these joints right here. Now, as y'all see, the colors on here are super funky. These are super bright. You got like a blue upper here, which is the main highlight. There's almost kind of like orange, red featured here, and then you got the highlighter yellow in the sock liner. But I feel like all the colors kind of come together to create a shoe which is kind of giving me like 90s vibes. I don't know if that's the color or what, but for some reason I'm just rocking with them. I know they're kind of out there, but I feel like if you just keep these simple with like a pair of light blue wash jeans or maybe a pair of sweatpants or something like that, either gray or even like a navy blue, I think would work with this one right here. I think you could get these joints off. So as far as the 860 V2, if you watch the channel, you would know this is my favorite New Balance model, and I appreciate the fact that these joints just feel good. They're comfortable. I feel like when it comes to like a retro runner or a dad shoe, I guess you could call it, I think this is the best that it gets as far as like the design, the look and everything. They're sleek, low tops, just easy to wear, super comfortable. So I always call these like the 860 V2s. I call them like the JA New Balances. So picked up a whole bunch of different colorways. I did have a previous ALD collaboration with New Balance, but you know what? The more I look at these, the more I enjoy these. So definitely another shoe which I'm going to be getting off a lot. So let me know if you guys are rocking with these. I know this is a little bit different for most people probably that follow the channel, but just wanted to give you guys a little different look, something funky, something crazy. And some of y'all probably remember when I originally pre-ordered these. So here we go. Roughly 6 months later, we finally got them in hand. So as far as pricing, 150, sizing, pick these up in my true to size 10.5. They feel great. So another sneaker which I'm gonna be getting a whole bunch of wear of. So we got the New Balance 860 V2s. We got the new 3D printed duck boots by Arreon. And then of course we got a classic in the Jordan 5 black metallic, but with a little slight reimagined update. So out of the 3 pickups here, let me know which ones you guys are rocking with the most. I'm sure most people will probably go with these black metallic 5s, but bringing a little something different to the table here with these duck boots, and then of course the 860 V2. So out of all of these, I would say my favorite probably go to these joints just right here because they're just so crazy, lightweight, and I'm just huge fan of the design. Plus the fact they're all black. I mean, can you really go wrong with these right here? So just wanted to showcase some of my most recent pickups with you guys here. Comment down below if you guys enjoyed this video. I want to see more stuff like this here, giving you guys some of my personal takes. Be sure to smash the like button down below. So it's Sunday, guys. Spend some time with the family. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I appreciate you guys for pulling up here on this quick little update. So I'm JA. We'll catch you guys tomorrow for the latest news updates. In the meantime, stay safe, stay blessed, and I'm out, y'all. Salute.